What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about Quant, which has dropped just about 7% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at $104.50. So we're going to be looking at where is it heading to next. Obviously, nearly the end of the year, going into 2023. Is it time to buy the dip? Is it time to get rid of your Quant? How high can it go in 2023? And is it worth investing into it? And looking at its prediction overall in 2023, looking at how high or how low this crypto can go, and also looking at the crypto market in general. Obviously 2022 has not been too great for the crypto market, so what can 2023 bring? And also looking at what cryptos you could potentially invest into to get some decent return on investment. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. As you can see here, the market has been 0.5% down in the last 24 hours, and it has been down over the last couple of days, which is not too good. But yeah, today's focus is on Quant. As you can see, major drops here over the last couple of hours. In the last hour, it has gained just over a percentage in value, but overall it is still down 7%. As you can see, consistently dropping in value over the last 24 hours, all up until about an hour or two ago, where it decided to slowly recover. Over the week, it is an overall over 1% down. Increases here for the first half, and then second half has not been too great. And over the month, there's an overall 12% down. Even though it has been quite volatile, it's been up and down all over the place, but overall we can clearly see that it has been moving more towards the negative direction rather than the positive. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 27% in the last 24 hours, making it $28 million in trading. So yes, we are seeing a lot of people buying into the dip as well. Obviously, it has dipped into the crypto down to about $102, and right now slowly starting to recover. And we are also seeing people selling it. People who are scared to hold on to it, literally selling it, because what we call this is the danger zone. It is in danger at the moment because of the major drop, but it seems to be recovering. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Quant at $110 here in purple. However, it is trading at a slightly lower value here in $104 in red, meaning it is not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that, just a little disclaimer as usual, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have? We do have the blue line clearly going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive. However, the orange line is just about looking straight. It's not looking bearish or bullish. It's literally flat out going in a straight line. So guys, over the next couple of hours, I'll say next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, do expect an overall minimal gain in value on Quant, potentially heading up to about $106 to $108 is what I'm expecting the crypto to head towards. But again, it's not going to be a major increase in value. It is going to be minimal. Don't expect any major increases in value, but the overall increase seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The orange line is still looking bearish, guys, going in a negative direction, and the blue line, again, this is a flipped version. The blue line is flat out going in a straight line. So over the coming days, I'm talking about towards the end of next week, we should expect an overall drop in value on Quant. But again, when I say drop, it's not going to be a major drop or a major decrease in value. It is going to be minimal, so do expect it to hover around the $100 mark by the end of next week. So guys, we are going into 2023 with a minimal drop in value on Quant, but again, it's part of the process. It's not like it's going to go for a major drop or anything like that, so do expect minimal decreases in value over the coming days. But again, it doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days, we are going to have red days, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side once again rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, we've kind of got a mixed signal here. We clearly can see the blue line is looking bearish and the orange line is looking bullish. So essentially both the lines are going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what we should expect over the coming weeks. So mid to late February 2023, I'm expecting Quant to be trading around the $105 mark. Again, is going to go outside of that range over the coming weeks. We're going to see a drop below the $100 mark, go above the $110 mark, because this crypto is very volatile, as I showed you guys earlier on in this chart here. Looking at the monthly charts, you can see it's been up and down all over the place, but overall it has been moving towards the negative direction. So essentially that is exactly what's likely to take place, but at this point it seems to be moving more towards the positive, staying at the neutral side around $105 rather than going up or down. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Quant. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. And this is quite of an interesting one, guys. The only reason for that is, as you can see, we are just about trading in and out of the green and the red zone in between that target, which is, again, at the moment we have dropped into the red zone, but it's likely to head up into the green zone as well over the next couple of days and weeks as well. So as you can see, over the last couple of months, last month I would say the 4-5 weeks, we have been in and out of the green and red zone, and at the moment we are literally at the resistance target, which is very, very interesting. So what I am expecting for Quant to take place is for it to drop a little bit further down, hop back up into the green zone, and then drop back down into the red zone. So basically volatility at the moment is at its highest for Quant, as you can see here, dropped into the red zone, picked back up into the green zone, and right now dropping back into the red zone. And this cycle is likely to carry on over the coming weeks as well. That is what I meant by we should be seeing it staying into the green zone towards the end of February, and hopefully for the rest of the next year we should be seeing it go onwards and upwards from here up to about 120, 140, and potentially even heading into the dark green zone towards the end of next year. But again, we still got a long time for that. Anything can happen between that time. We can see major drops, major gains. Anything like that will have a major impact, not just on the value of Quant but the whole crypto market in general. And anything like that I will try and keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So what I want you guys to do now is comment down below your expectations for 2023 on the crypto market overall in general, not just Quant but the crypto market in general. Are you guys bullish or bearish on the market? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see what your expectations and your predictions are, especially after 2022 has been a red year for the crypto market. So I want to see what your expectations are for the coming 12 months. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like. And also, I just want to say a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot. That means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k towards the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.